Hello, Gabby and John. After you came to our home for lunch and we talked about business, we got excited with your idea. We made all the changes you suggest. We cleaned the kitchen. We got right off the carts. We cleaned outside and put the table with the chairs. Thank you for your idea, and we are ready for the business now.
Hello, this is where we are going to cook the traditional seafood. This is the environment of the kitchen. As you can see there, we have the jerry cans for water. We have some utensils here. If you can remember very well, this is the place where once you came here, you ate here. But now the plan here is just we want to have classes here for those who are interested in learning cooking, in learning cooking the seafood. So we are going to make this as a class for the lessons that we are going to teach them how to cook. Hello, this is the place where visitors, after coming from Kisite Marine Park, will be eating. Here we have the dining table ready for the service of the food.